Ladies and lads, today we have a different kind of video. We are car spotting, not on a popular day because today is a Monday. I'm doing this on a Monday because that's the only day I have available, at least this week. And as you can see, it's not really very sunny out there. So I do not know what I'm going to find, but let's just see. Right now we're heading towards a very popular spot where apparently a ton of very nice cars like to drive, at least like to drive by. So yeah, this is it. This is the spot. Apparently this is in the hotel, and when I look online, people always post pictures of cars passing through here. But again, this is a not so sunny day. So I really am not sure if we're going to find anything. Oh, well, first spot of the day, Urus. And I just passed here. Maybe it's because it's black that I didn't notice it. I'm not the biggest fan of Uruses. I don't hate it, but it's kind of mad to me. Especially the back. The view from the back is not very interesting to me. The front is alright. The sides, I feel like the interior, they tried too hard. They tried way too hard for the interior. Oh well, that was our first spot. Oh, Stinger. That's a Stinger, right? Yeah, I think it is. Nice. Ooh, Porsche. Whoa. Those are the well, I don't even know which generation it is, but it was lifted up. Yeah, lifted and with some gear on top of it. Okay. Jesus Christ, these roads, man. It's not the worst road I've ever driven on, but come on, still. Okay, right over there, as you can see, we have a, what is it, G63, just a regular one. The new ones, they're cool. The old ones, meh. What's this, M2? Oh, G55. Oh, G550. Sorry. Well, I don't know. You guys know. It's a G something. Ooh, that is a Targa, right? I think. We're actually seeing not that many cars, but a lot more than I was expecting. At least for a rainy day. And a Monday too. Man, it must be a pain if you work around here just to find a parking spot. Ah, man, it must be a pain. Jesus, I'm so thankful to God for the job that I have, because I'm able to park like no problem. But this, people, whew, whew. Hey, Subi bro. What's the yellow car? Pontiac. What kind of Pontiac? I have no clue. Or a Chrysler, whichever one it is. All right, let's see if that Urus is still there. If it is still there, I'm going to use it as my thumbnail. Probably don't have that much time, but always gotta be ready, people. All my settings are okay. Good. Nope, it's not there anymore. It was right here, I think. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, this I absolutely love. This is a Juke, right? And this is a wrap for sure. And I absolutely love that because it's bright. Oof, nice. People, we found our thumbnail. All right, let me do this quick. Yep. This is how it's done, people. All right, good. I will say this. The black cars to me are boring. That's why I was so excited about that Juke, that yellow Juke. That was way more interesting to me than black cars. That's why when I see a bright car like this, I'm like all over it. I absolutely love this. Absolutely love this. And also the same on the wheels too. Ah, nice. Nice, 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 nice. You saw it a mile away. Woo! Let's go. Audi TT. Yep. With the wing. Ooh, okay. Whoa, what's this? What's that? Volvo? Man, old school Volvo. That's cool. Old school. Really, really old school. All right, all right. Again, I am pleasantly surprised. I was not expecting to find, well, it's not like we see that many cars, but still pretty happy with the ones I found. So far, the highlights for me, that Urus, the green one, and the yellow Juke. Those are the two highlights. And of course, like I said, bright cars. So that gets a plus for me. Okay, a few hours later, after took a break, I ate a bit, we are back. Now the bad news is my battery is about to die and I did not bring my other one. And I was planning on going back to where I was before, at least the general area, and then go to the old port to see if there is anything interesting there. And that's what I'm planning on doing. So if I don't find anything here anymore, then we'll go there. Somewhere in front over there is a G-Wagon. This time is a new gen. Won't be able to see it now though. But I didn't really find anything right now. So we are going to go in the old port. I mean, old Montreal, sorry. Oh, there it is, right over there. But hold on. Dog. Doggy doggy. And a big one too. Jesus Christ, man. It's quite busy here, eh? What is this? This is like a theater or something? First time I come here when it's not winter. Yeah. People, if you could feel what I'm feeling right now. driving on this, it's it is so weird. Like, you feel your wheels vibrating and stuff. It's crazy. Stand over here. Ah, much better. Hey, Taycan. Cool, cool, cool. I have to say though, here it's kind of cool. How everything looks, it is cool. Driving here in this, how would you call it this even? Pavement? Or these bricks? Not so cool. You want to drive here in like walls where you're not gonna feel anything, or luxury cars like that with those type of suspensions. But in this, nah. Ooh, what is this? This looks good. What is this? Taycan S? Turbo S? Nice. Nice car. Nice, nice, nice. I spotted an R8, so I'm just going around. I'm gonna check that one out. I think it's, no, it's not here. It's somewhere in between here. There it is. All right, so we are going to turn over here, and it is here. Oh, what's this Audi? S6? Oh, interesting color. But what we are here for is this lovely one right here. Someone is behind me, so I won't have the time to properly look at it. But here you go, people. V10. Alright. Where are we going now? I do not know. My friends, this is going to be the final spot of the day, and that goes to C7 convertible. If you guys were wondering what I look like, I look like this. This is what I need to do, eh? We have a WRX brother over there. I say hello. Oh shoot! I'm going straight. Doop 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 doop. That is not stuck. That is not stuck.